Forecast for the overnight, fair skies, comfortably cool once again. Temperatures inland, say east of I-75 or so in the upper 60s, about 73 by the coast. Even with an easterly breeze right along the immediate coast, the Gulf temperature is still warm. The temperatures do not fall off that much at night. El Nino year, which we have, this will bring us some clouds tomorrow and possibly some rain on Monday. But the real story, again, we mentioned earlier, was the problems with the wildlife off the west coast of California. Even with all this state-of-the-art equipment, hurricane forecasting is still a very inexact science. Now that poses a unique problem for the folks here at the National Hurricane Center and also for us in southwest Florida. Hurricanes need a relatively quiet environment to develop. Think of this basin as the Earth's atmosphere and this whirlpool as a hurricane. My hand disrupts the circulation, much like the strong west winds have done in the tropics so far this 1997 hurricane season. Thanks, Tom. Boy, did I get the great assignment today. I'm with three of my new friends down here, and yes, indeed, they are clowns. To my left is Bubbles and Digit. How are you guys doing today?
Fine. Fine, thank you.
Great. Having a good time?
I gotta say hello to Pete Scoville. He's my love.
Pete is your love.
He heard me.
Aren't you guys are married though, aren't you?
Yes, we are. Excellent. Lovely, but I love everybody.
Okay, and on my right, your left, this is Sweetie Pie, and Sweetie Pie is going to make a donation to us, aren't you?
Sure, I would like for all of you wonderful people to reach deep into your wallets or down in your invisible purse and pull out some money and give to the foundation.
A drastic change from yesterday.
Yes.
We've had some severe weather headed this way.
It's moving in right now. As a matter of fact, just minutes ago, the National Weather Service issued a tornado watch for the entire area. So we are certainly under the gun for some severe weather in the next hour or two and beyond. Let's check out what we have going on right now. Again, stay alert. Severe weather is possible, if not likely, later on this afternoon and tonight. And we'll recap the warnings and watches we have in effect. Again, a strong to severe thunderstorm outbreak is likely in the next couple of hours. Winds in excess of 50 to 60 miles per hour, dangerous lightning, and of course tornadoes. A tornado watch again is now in effect. Flood watch for the possibility of 2 to 3 inches of rain, a wind advisory for winds 30 to 40 miles per hour, and a coastal flood watch with the potential, as the winds shift more around to the south tomorrow morning, of tides 2 to 3 feet above normal, and there are some of our area tides. Most of them are pre-dawn, so keep that in mind as you go to sleep later on tonight. Here is the culprit for our severe weather, an area of low pressure developing and growing. This is very, very warm and unstable air, and you can see the deep reds indicating the strong to severe thunderstorms out in the Gulf of Mexico. Right now, we just have some light rain moving onshore, but you can again see the deeper reds beginning to move onshore and some embedded lightning with these storms now beginning to move generally to the east off the Gulf of Mexico. On the broader view, we can show you the area that I think the National Weather Service looked at to issue this latest tornado watch. Again, right down here, you see this line growing and moving generally to the east. That line will be moving onshore in the next probably 2 to 3 hours, so keep that in mind for your evening plans. Right now it's 68 with a dew point at 66. The winds are northeast and thus far 0.03 inches of rain, but that of course will go up dramatically over the next couple of hours. 73 and 55 are splits close to the normal of 75 and 54. Weather flight shows one storm here, but this will be a 1-2 punch as further back to the west another system is moving onshore in California. That will arrive later in the week with more rain and possible severe weather as well. The radar scope lit up like a Christmas tree here in the southeast. One line of showers and thunderstorms moving onshore now, and back to the west, another line moving through New Orleans. That will be moving through here on Tuesday. And again, back further to the west, more rain in the southwest. This is an El Nino year, and it continues to be very wet here in the southeast, and it looks like that trend will continue. Tomorrow, again, the severe weather threat will be over by morning time. We will have clouds, maybe a peak of sun from time to time. This front will be coming through again, though, with the possibility of some more storms. Tuesday, we break out into sunshine before this front comes through later Tuesday and Tuesday night. So we're under the gun for some interesting weather, to say the least, over the next several days. Cloudy, windy, again, with showers and thunderstorms. Some will be strong to severe, especially in the next couple of hours. Temperatures between 60 and 65. We begin our day windy and wet tomorrow with a temperature of 65. And tomorrow, as was today, cloudy, windy. Showers and thunderstorms possible, but we may see some sunshine. Temperatures in the mid-70s. And certainly not a day for boating tomorrow, with winds becoming southerly at 30 to 35 knots, wave heights increasing to 8 to 12 feet, and a 3 on our sunshine scale with the possibility of some late day sunshine. The 5-day forecast shows the next 2 days with the shower and thunderstorm threat. We begin to clear out by Tuesday, I should say Wednesday and Thursday, and then more storms possible again by Friday. Again, we will keep things up to date here at the Fox Weather Center, and we'll make sure that if there are any more watches or warnings, we'll pass the information along to you. But again, the entire area right now under a tornado watch.
All right, thanks a lot, Mike.
Okay.